Hi, this is just a quick tip on how to get the financial year for a given date. This is an issue that many financial analysts face. So for instance, if my financial year is from April to March, then March 2020 will be part of financial year 2020, whereas April 2020 will be part of financial year 2021. That is, their financial year will end in the next calendar year. Now, how to get this without messy if function? Well, it's pretty simple. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to have a cell where we'll type the financial year ending month in number. March is month 3, so that's what I'm going to type here. Preferably, let's also name the cell. Now, having named the cell, the formula is very simple. We're simply going to type equals year of the date plus within bracket, we're going to type a Boolean condition where we're going to check whether the month of the date is greater than FYE month, which is the cell that we typed earlier, that is 3. In case if you get a date here, it's just a matter of formatting. Shift Control Epsilon should change the formatting to general, and that's it. We have the answer. If you're interested, hang on as I explain the logic. So to understand this formula, let's try to break the formula into pieces. Firstly, the year function gives us the calendar year. Then when we use the month function for the date, the month function gives us the month in numbers. When we are checking whether the month is greater than FYE month, we get a Boolean values true and false. Now for April to December, the financial year falls in the next calendar year. That means we need to add 1 to the calendar year. Luckily for us, these Boolean values act as ones and zeros. So true is 1 and false is 0. So when you use them in a mathematical operation, they would act as ones and zeros. So when I add this, I get the financial year. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. See you next time.